Hello everyone, it's my hope that you're doing well. Thank you for tuning in to our channel. By the time you see this video, I hope that you've already watched our previous video in which I was showing you how I plaited these braids that you can see here, and in this video I'll be showing you how I installed curls on these braids just as my client had requested. So as you can see, I have already started the process. It's very simple, guys. So what I did, I picked a number of the braids and plaited thick tight braids, as you can see. So it just, there are many ways of installing curls. You can use a string, you can use spiral rods, but my client wanted this particular style whereby you pick a number of the braids and then you plait a tight thick braid, after which you dip them into hot water. So guys, I did this until I completed the entire head, after which I went ahead and did the next step. So when you're plaiting these thick braids, it's important to ensure that you don't tighten at the base so that you don't hurt the client. So you make them loose at the beginning and then you make them tighter as you proceed. So guys, I believe it's simple and everyone can be able to do this. Yeah, and it's amazing. And for this particular style, you ensure that you put the curls, even though you're plaiting the whole the entire braid, you don't dip the whole of it in water. You just dip the ends, as I will show you before this video comes to an end. So once I was done plaiting the entire head, I went ahead and dipped them into very hot water. Make sure that you have placed a towel on your client's shoulders so that they don't get burnt, and then after dipping all the braids into very hot water, you cover them with a towel like that for a few minutes to retain the heat so that you'll be able to achieve the curls that you want. Also, this is a chance for you to part the water, the excess water. You might not be able to dry all the water at that moment, but wrapping the braids in a towel for some time ensures that the heat is retained and the water is dried partly. Also, it's good to massage the head with the hot towel once you're done. Even though I have not put that clip here, I did that for her, the edges and also the entire scalp, to ensure that it's relaxed. After that, I went ahead and undid the thick braids, as you can see. Yes, and it was very easy. This style is very easy and time saving. So this was the entire the final look. It's beautiful, right? It's beautiful and it's a very simple style. I recommend it. After that, I went ahead and applied some anti-dandruff oil on my client's hair as she had requested, and I fell in love with her hair. It was smiling very nicely, and it's called the Indian hemp. It was very nice. I applied on her scalp, the entire head, to ensure that we control itchiness and dryness on her head, and to ensure that her hair scalp feels nice, and relaxed. So this was the final look after I tied up the braids. Guys, comment down below, what do you think about these curls? Thank you so much for watching. We are so grateful for your support. I hope to see you in my next video. Also comment down below which other style you'd like us to try. Thank you so much. Bye.